Okay, dear students, today's class will be on this another derivation as what I discussed previous video regarding addition of branch for a particular network, partial network. So let us go for formation of bus impedance matrix when a link is added to a partial network. Let us do this. Okay, this is the question as what they are going to ask. Explain the step-by-step algorithm for the formation of bus impedance matrix when link is added to a partial network. Okay, and first before doing this derivation, you should know if link is added to a partial network, what happens here, even though there is extra row and column gets created, that is a fictitious node L will create here, so that afterwards that row and column has to be deleted. So that's why, so in this link first addition has to be done, afterwards the removal of link derivation it will be there. Okay, so two extra step you have to follow, and whatever we are doing for link, this is type 3 and type 4 modification. As you know, the link is added between type 3 modification in between a reference bus and old bus, and type 4 will be both old buses, right? So let us go with this addition of link. We are adding here, and P and Q is a link. And while see, as I told, just consider this diagram as what I told starting classes. See this is a link. So P and Q is a link, and which belongs to partial network. So P node and Q node both belongs to partial network. Okay, whereas branch, if you go, P belongs to partial network, Q will be outside. Okay, so with this let us start this derivation addition of link. And we are taking here, I am taking a matrix here, and this is E1, E1, E2, E is equals to Z bus into I bus, E1, E2 up to EL, it is small EL, this one, and this is all matrix Z, and this is current form. Okay, so now I will be taking and I will be writing these all these equations. E1 is equals to Z11, I1 like that, or ZLI, and this is the diagram as what we are taking for addition of link. See, while doing addition of link, P and Q are the nodes belongs to partial network, but here the L node is added in between P and Q. Okay, starting fictitious node L is created, afterwards that has to be deleted. So that's why even though we are getting L is created in between this, and first we are forming Z of Li. Okay, that is for off diagonal value, and once we do whatever derivation will do, that L is replaced by Q. Okay, so first L is added, afterwards that has to be removed, and in between current source also it will be there. And for P particular, EP is the voltage, and for L, EL is the voltage, and EQ, for EQ is the voltage which is connected to reference. Okay, so now and II is 1 per unit. Let us say this to find ZLI. ZLI means what here? Off diagonal value. Okay, so L and last row and column, that is L as whatever column and row gets added, afterwards first it is injection, afterwards that has to be removed. Okay, let us see. E1 is equals to Z of Li II, Ek is equals to Z of Ki II. Same thing here. This is just like here. E1 is equals to Z of Li II like that. Okay. So now here also E1 is equals to Z of Li II, Ek is equals to Z of Ki II, and Ep we are taking Ek is equals to Z of Ki. Similarly, you have to go for EL. EL is equals to Z of Li. Why I am writing only Li? Because I am taking 1 per unit. I current I am taking 1 per unit. All current I am maintaining 1. Same thing we have taken for addition of branch also. So therefore EL is Z of Li. So now as we know that what is this here voltage here, I am taking voltage in between P and Q. Okay, that is nothing but VPQ anta helabodu. But now here L is there. Okay, so this will be, I will be taking like voltage like so VPL is nothing but EP minus EL. Howda? So therefore, as you know, EL is equals to EP minus EQ minus VPL. So okay, if you are taking addition of branch, so PQ in between voltage, if you take, the voltage will be VP minus VQ. But now we are doing derivation for link. Q belongs to partial network. Okay. Okay, so now you have to find that voltage in between PQ, but L is there here. So therefore, EP minus EQ minus EL is equals to VPQ. Or you can find that, that is EL is equals to, you can find here. EL is equals to EP minus EQ minus VP, they are specified here, VPL. Okay, because extra EL gets added, series source voltage. This is in terms of voltage. Same thing you write in terms of impedance. So Z of Li is equals to Z of Pi minus Z of Qi minus VPL. Okay, the same thing we have done for addition of branch also. There we are getting VPQ anta barutte. Okay, Z of Qi, there we got Z of Qi is equal to Z of Pi minus VPQ anta barutte. Okay, so now you have to find it here, this one. So now VPL you have to find. So to find this VPL, again you take matrix. What is that change here? Now this whatever Q is replaced by L here. Because what I told here, starting fictitious node L is created, afterwards that has to be deleted. So now IPL is there, before it was IPQ in addition of branch, is it? So therefore IPL is equals to what you have to take here. So just see this. This is the IPL. Okay, IPL and I rho sigma. So Q is replaced by L here. That's the change in addition of link, because fictitious node L is created, is it? Okay. So Q is replaced by L. Afterwards you have to replace L by Q. Now you have to write like this only. IPL I rho sigma. Wherever rho sigma you will get vector sign you have to write. Okay. This is what here. This is what VPL and V rho sigma. So now from this IPL you have to find. I told for addition of link, so diagonal off diagonal values you are getting. If you are going for first off diagonal value, so this current term will be 0. If you are going for diagonal value, this current term will be -1. Similar process you have done in for branch also. So now you do IPL, because we are finding the value of VPL here, that's why. So find here IPL is equals to YPL comma PL into VPL plus YPL comma rho sigma into V rho sigma, is it? That only I am taking here. And IPL you take it 0. Substitute here IPL 0. From this VPL you take it out. We are getting this minus YPL comma rho sigma, and we are getting. And what is V rho sigma? Voltage between E rho minus E sigma. And now this PL comma PL you replace by PQ comma PQ. Okay, and PL comma rho sigma you replace by Y of PQ comma rho sigma. The same I will be writing like this. So therefore, and whatever we got this VPL, where you have to substitute? This equation. In this equation you have to substitute. Okay, either in terms of voltage you can substitute, either in terms of impedance, but we want finally impedance value only, right? So therefore substitute here. I am substituting in the form of impedance. So wherever this voltage replaced by impedance. So Z of Li is equals to Z of Pi minus Z of Qi plus YPQ comma rho sigma PQ comma PQ. Okay. So L is replaced by Q, and this E rho minus E sigma is replaced by Z rho L minus Z sigma L, right? Okay. So this is the main equation we got for addition of link for off diagonal value. Now you have to maintain cases, because while doing problems these cases are very important. So what are the cases here? If there is no mutual coupling with reference, without reference, addition of link. First I am taking addition of link, no mutual coupling, no reference. If there is no reference, ZP whatever term will be there, it won't be 0. Okay. And no reference. So now here mutual coupling will be there. If mutual coupling means YPQ comma rho sigma, you have to maintain 0. If this will be 0, so now full term will be 0, and if there is no reference also, so Z of Li is Z of Pi minus ZQi. First condition, no mutual coupling, no reference. Second one, no mutual coupling with reference. If you take wherever P term will be there, that will be 0, ZPi will be 0, and 1 by YPQ comma PQ. Whatever PQ comma rho sigma mutual coupling will be there, so this will be 0, no mutual coupling, and with reference means, so therefore Z of Li is minus ZQi. Okay, so Z of Pi will be 0 if the reference will be there. Okay, this is the condition for what? Addition of link for off diagonal value. Now you have to do for addition of link for diagonal value, Z of LL. Before we found Z of Li, now you have to find Z of LL. Same process you have to follow. Okay, EK and EL, so wherever I is there, L I replaced. EL is equals to Z, Li we have written, and IL term will be 1 per unit everywhere. So that's why I have not written here. And EL is equals to Z of Li. EI or EL, you can take, I is replaced by L here, EL is Z of LL. So now you write EL is EP minus EQ minus VPL. Okay, same process you have to find out here. And what is the change here while doing matrix? IPL will be minus 1 in this condition. That is the change, minus 1 we are getting. Before it was 0, now minus 1. Substitute minus 1, from this VPL you get it. Once you get VPL, substitute in this equation here. In this equation you have to substitute VPL once you get it from matrix. Okay, so now this whatever, and PL is replaced by Q. Okay, starting L it will create, afterwards that has to be replaced. And we are getting in terms of impedance equation final. Now again cases has to be written. If no mutual coupling with reference wherever P term ZP, that you have to maintain 0, and YPQ comma rho sigma with mutual, if there is no mutual coupling, this term will be 0. So this term will be 0, but 1 by YPQ comma PQ is remained. Okay, so first condition, if there is no reference, so PL comma ZQL as it is, and 1 by YPQ comma PQ will be impedance ZPQ comma PQ. Okay. So therefore this is in terms of what here? No mutual coupling, no reference. If there is no mutual coupling with reference, then Z of LL you have to write, and minus ZQL plus Z of PQ comma PQ, because P term will be 0. if there is a reference. This is about addition of link. Now because if you another will be there and fictitious node L has to be deleted, this is addition of link we have done. Now you have to delete this. Sometime they may ask the deletion process also how to delete that. At the end we can delete that fictitious node L. So now what you have to write, simple it is, E bus is equals to Z bus into I bus. You take E bus is equals to Z bus into I bus and row and column gets added first, Z of IL, Z of LZ, Z of LL and small EL you have to take it. Okay, in this, so now E bus you write this equation, EL you write, two equations we are getting from matrix, and this EL I will making 0 here. So from this you get it IL value. Once you get it IL value, substitute in E bus equation, okay, IL, and once you substitute IL we are getting this equation E bus. From this Z modified you have to get it, okay, and whatever equations rewrite in the form of Z modified as what I discuss in problems. So Z bus, Z modified will be Z bus minus nu minus Z of IL into Z of LJ divided by Z of LL. This whole term will be modified. We want this only modified for addition of link. If there is a link will be there in problem, so first you have to add it row and column, afterwards that has to be deleted. L load is added for addition of link. While doing problem you will come to know this. Okay, 2 step extra you have to follow. First you have to add, after deleting this equation you have to use Z of Ij nu is equals to Z of Ij old minus Z of IL, Z of LJ divided by Z of LL. Okay, so 3 problems I am going to discuss on this building algorithm, so that it will be easy to understand this derivation also. So here what and all we have done, addition of branch also, addition of link also, type 1, type 2 for branch, type 3, type 4 for link. For branch, row and column gets added. For link also row and column gets added for every formation of Z bus. But for link, starting it is added, afterwards that has to be deleted. So matrix dimension remains same only in addition of link. Okay. So this is all about derivation of addition of link, no mutual coupling derivation. Because starting we have done derivation for with mutual coupling. Afterwards that has to be deleted. Cases we have done for no mutual coupling. And the deletion process also, that node. Last modified bus. Okay, so this is all about addition of link derivation. Okay, next class I will go for problems. Thank you.